Today, we're diving deep into the world of animated GIFs and showing you how to make them like a pro in Adobe After Effects. First things first, let's create a new composition by clicking on New Composition in the Composition settings. Adjust the width, height, and frame rate to fit your needs. I suggest keeping it small, like around 500 by 500 pixels. For a quicker render and smaller file size, think of GIFs as images. Keep the dimensions and other settings to their proper sizes to maintain good quality within the GIF. Then set the duration to how long you want your loop to be. Click OK. Now, let's add our animation and import your premade animation or assets. By using the import function, we'll be using a premade animation, but bouncing ball drag your files onto the timeline or create shape layers directly in After Effects. Animate your assets using keyframes, transforms, or effects to bring your GIF to life. Don't be afraid to play around. Next, we have to ensure our animation loops seamlessly. If your animation isn't already looping, you can adjust it on the timeline. Consider duplicating your layers and offsetting them. If your footage isn't naturally looping, to make sure our GIF starts and ends without any interruptions. Okay, time to render the GIF. Go to File, then Export, and choose Add to Render Queue in the Render Queue panel. Click on the Output Module settings from the Format drop-down menu. Select Animated GIF. Now it's time to get your GIF settings ready. And this is where all our magic happens. You can control the colors and all our frame rates. In the Options section, you can set the colors to your desired color palette to maintain a good quality. Reducing the colors used will often reduce the file size, improving your GIF quality or saving it to an acceptable level. Be mindful of the GIFs use, and set the looping to forever to ensure your GIF plays continuously. Now, set your render settings to your preferred settings. Make sure the render settings is at its final level of quality before clicking render. Once the render is done, you're done. Take your finished GIF and upload it to your social media or send it to your friends. Now you're ready to create your own animated masterpieces.